Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Yurang and today I'll teach you how to make ice cream, and this is lemongrass flavor. I love lemongrass, and this is fresh lemongrass, and it has citrus and mint and a hint of ginger flavor. It's very nice fragrance. They use for tea, essential oil, and I use a lot in my cooking. The key ingredients in Vietnamese and Thai cuisine. And I love ice cream. I can have ice cream from all season, from summer to winter. Especially this is lemongrass flavor, yes. And the base ingredients is French vanilla ice cream or cream anglaise. For the ingredients, first I infuse the lemongrass to the cream. I have 4 stalks of fresh lemongrass and clean off the stalk a bit, remove some top layer, and use the meat mallet or rolling pin, pounding the stalk to relieve the flavor. In the pot, I have 300 ml of 35% cream or heavy cream. Throw in the clean lemongrass. On the stove on high, heat the cream for a few minutes. Then turn off the heat, cover the lid. Alright, and let it sit for 10-15 minutes. In the meantime, I prepare other ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 10 egg yolks. You can separate the egg yolk and keep the egg white for another recipe. Well, today I have some leftover egg yolks from making macarons. So 20 grams for 1 large egg yolk. I scale for 200 grams for 10 yolks. So I have a little bit over. That's even better. Add to the pot 700 ml whole milk, the pot of the infused lemongrass cream. 180 grams of white sugar. Half the amount of sugar go into the pot with 1 tablespoon of licorn syrup. The rest of the sugar mixed to the egg yolks. Give it a good mix. Then make sure the sugar are all dissolved. Back to the stove, turn the heat on high, and this is the same process of making custard and cream glaze. And stir the cream mixture until boil. Pour the hot cream to the egg yolks to temper the egg. Give it a good stir, mix it really well, and put it back to the pot. And back to the stove on low, stir constantly with spatula or wooden spoon. I use spatula, stir around the side and the bottom of the pot. Stirring this rebuild the heat so the custard not become too hot and curdle, and keep the temperature in between 70 to 80 degrees in Celsius or 180 degrees in Fahrenheit. It's hot enough to cook the eggs, but not scramble your egg. It takes about 15-20 minutes. So yes, but it's worth it. But you don't want to scramble your egg, and it's good time for meditation. And when the custard ready, it will thicken and coat on the spatula, and testing by use finger throw the light on it. The custard hold on the spatula, not runny or dripping down. And see, this is how it's ready and thicken when I draw my finger over the spatula, and it's not runny messy. There's a hole in there. And turn off the heat, and I use the whisk to keep a good, strong, quick mix again. And this gives the nice, smooth and creamy texture. And transfer the mix to container, cover it, refrigerate it overnight. It's a lovely fragrance, the citrus and ginger flavor. And make sure it's cold before you churn the ice cream. So keep in the fridge at least 8 hours or overnight, better. On the next day, I use 2/4 ice cream maker machine, and the bowl been freezing pretty well overnight in the freezer. Yeah, and let the machine run for 15 minutes and let it churn the ice cream 15 minutes. It depends on the machine instruction. Well, that's it, and it's the good consistency ready to eat. Give it a try. Yummy. It's not too sweet because it's homemade, right? Oh, by the way, if you need color, you can add the color. I do it for myself, so I don't need adding the color because no, homemade. It look nice like that. And I scoop the ice cream to the container, or you can eat right away. This it's so nice. It's so beautiful flavor and not too sweet. But not talking about not too sweet, you can replace sugar to stevia and label it and keep in the freezer up to 1 week. I dip this Korean milk white chocolate in and roll over the pecan to make it look fun and add more texture. And hey, one scoop or wow, one scoop or maybe 2 scoop. That's it. See, wow, it's so refreshing to have the ice cream at home, and yeah, it's worth it to work at home like that. Well, thanks for watching, and give it a try if you love ice cream. I'll see you again next time. Wow, it's so yummy. Love it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.